I totally forgot I was supposed to go get this frame sandblasted. Right now I'm about 20 minutes late. I just dropped the frame off at the sandblasters. He said he could have it done tomorrow or the next day, so I'm not in too big of a hurry for it. Let's see if I can get out of this driveway though without scraping the whole bottom of the car. And looks like we got it. And now we're headed back home. Now the car's acting a little funny. It doesn't have as much power as it did before. I'm trying to figure that out. So I'm working on the Corvette a little bit more, and one thing that happened was I put the belt on wrong. I routed it wrong. It still kind of worked, but it was rubbing on something, and it actually like kind of messed it up. So I figured for a few bucks I'll just go get a new belt. So I went and got a new belt. We're gonna put that on now. There we go. Okay, so crank. Oh, we have to go under the tensioner. That's where the issue is. Alright. Double check that, make sure that's right. I'm pretty sure it is. We got that goes under, that goes over. Yeah, perfect. Now we can start it up. Sounds good. I went and got this new radiator cap. Gonna do a coolant flush today, I think. It's a really nice day out. They're looking about 50 degrees for a high. So I think I'm gonna try and do the iron tight flush on the Corvette. We got the whole cooling system flushed. I ran it for 12 minutes with that stuff in there. Now we're putting coolant in. We're gonna use my snap-on cooling system fill thingy. This. Got her all filled up, started it up. Now it's purging all the air from the system. Got a new radiator cap yesterday. It's running pretty good. Well, I just did a pressure test with my pressure tester, and it was leaking down about 1 psi every 10 minutes. So I don't think there's too big of a leak, if there is a leak at all. Could have been just from the tool. So we got it buttoned up, and it's time to go test it. I'm not going to test it today though, because today is the Super Bowl and it's about to start. Thanks guys for watching. Thanks for liking the videos. Thanks for subscribing. And we'll talk to you tomorrow.